Hi YouTube, it's Michael again from Michael's Mobile Detailing here in Abbotsford, British Columbia, Canada. Today I'm detailing and ceramic coating a John Deere 5100R tractor. I believe it was a 2019 model, and the owner likes to keep his property in pristine condition and decided to go with a ceramic coating to enjoy the hydrophobic properties. Here we're decontaminating the paint using a mild degreaser, microfiber towels, and soft sponges. The owner kept the machine in good condition, kept it very clean, pressure washed it after almost every use, he says. Um, the tires are off an older tractor, the wheels, and he asked for the yellow portion of the wheels to be polished up to make it match the rest of the vehicle. And if you stay tuned towards the end, you're going to see we did a pretty good job. So here I'm using an iron decontamination spray. You'll see it start to react pretty quickly, turning any iron deposits purple. You can see it actually bleed out of the paint. So we spray that on, let it dwell for a minute or two, rinse it off. We want to give the surface the best cleaning and decontamination possible before we do a single and double stage polish in preparation for the ceramic coating. So in the green portions of the tractor, I'm going to be using the Sonax system, starting with a red medium density polishing pad. And I'm using a 5-inch wireless dual action polisher. It's a Milwuakee Flex 18 volt. And I'm taping off any rubber trim pieces. We don't want to get any polishing compound on those pieces. Yeah, after inspecting the paint, see there's some marring. I mean, the vehicle does run in a dirt field. Dirt and dust slide across the hood. The owner uses a pressure washer to get rid of the dirt. It does mar the paint as it comes off. So I'm using a 04-06 Sonax Profiline compound. It's got a cut rating of 4 out of 6, and it's got a polish gloss rating 6 out of 6. So it's a light or medium to light cutting and high polish. It's well suited for a single stage polish. And just doing some test areas to see how much, what the right formula is for how many passes, how much pressure to put on the pad, and testing the two compounds I have today to see which one works the best. The tractor is getting ceramic coated, and I am looking for near perfection. The tractor is in fantastic condition. It's near new, and we want to have an amazing result for the owner. And that's starting to come through. Going to take a couple more passes to get rid of some of the fine orange peel that we can see. Working in small 18 by 18 square inch portions. So here's kind of a comparison of our progress. And here I've switched to a 3-inch polisher to get the smaller portions. And there's a lot of facets in the tractor, a lot of nooks and crannies that are very difficult to get in, but we got most of it. That's starting to look really good already. Gotta apologize about the angles. I've got a chest-mounted GoPro, and I'm so excited in my work that sometimes I forget to point the camera exactly where I'm working. My fiance was following behind me with the alcohol decontamination spray and wipes. So where I polished, he was right behind to decontaminate it. So switching pads to a little less aggressive pad for the yellow wheels. The paint is very soft. Yellow wheels, I think they were touched up. There's 2 shades of yellow on the wheels. Maybe the owner had tried to repaint them at one point. I didn't want to cut too deep, and there's absolutely no clear coat on this paint. So a softer pad, and a little less aggressive cutting compound, more of a finishing compound on. And it took the faded yellow right out. Wheels look great. There's a lot of material coming off those wheels. I had to clean the pads quite often using compressed air. These are the biggest wheels I've ever polished. I think they're 65-inch rims. Here's some before and after comparisons. Now we jump to the application of the ceramic. I'm way too big and heavy to get on the roof. I've got my fiance up there. We've just applied a section of ceramic and she's doing the leveling, the soft microfiber towel. And again, all surfaces of this tractor got coated in ceramic coating, including the interior. We did a full detail on the inside, applied ceramic coating to all the hard surfaces, and we also scotch guarded the seats. The owner told us the method he cleans the inside is with compressed air. I mean, he keeps it pristine condition most of the time, and if there's some dirt in there, he prefers to use compressed air. So we thought putting a hydrophobic coating on everything inside would help him when he's blasting everything out. Here's kind of a time lapse of us applying the ceramic coating. If you tuned in this far, don't forget to hit like and subscribe so you don't miss any of my future videos. And please leave a comment in the comment section.